So, hello uh, everyone, and today and this video I want to show you how to change the motor on the steering wheel for Focus mk3 or mk3.5. The same is in Cmax Grande, and what else? I don't know. In Mondeo have also mk4, mk5 Mondeo has also the electric steering wheel. So the electronics is mounted this almost the same way, just bigger. But here, what I'm talking about. Sole purpose of this video is because I'm not a mechanic, but I had a conversation with wannabe mechanic guy who told me it's impossible to change this because this comes only in the package, and that's really not the case. Because this, I don't know if you can buy at the Ford dealership this as a stone, how it's called, as a solo unit, just like this. Mostly they want to sell you everything, because everything is expensive. As if you're a mk3 Focus owner, you know this thing is expensive. If you didn't already change it, probably you will have to change. So that's enough talking. Now let's see. Usually this, I know a guy, a mechanic, a friend of mine. He changed these things on the car. He don't even put everything down. But to do that, you have to cut this thing. Let's see if you see. So you take and cut this out, because you cannot come close to this bolt. The bolt is, I think, yeah, this, like this one. And if you want to take it out, even if it's on the car, you need to cut this piece one out, and you cut it out and screw everything else around. And you can even change the motor, the electricity motor on the car. You don't need to take everything down when you have problem with the motor. But the motor is, most cases, always the problem. Only other problem with this, if the car involved in some crash, got hit in the wheel, or the wheel is down, off, out, and so. But then that's also these holders almost always break. And this aluminium, it's really hard to get this in the place. I saw some guys trying to, but okay. So let me show you what I mean and what you need to do and how you need. So why this screw it's here? So, and why you need to cut? Because then you have to take all this out like this. I need to take everything out. And so I hope you can. Let's check if you can see this. Yeah. So you take this screw out. Need to be careful with this. Don't want to lose it. So, like this. So you screw it up again, like this, and that's that. That's all you have to do. Just need to be careful with this. You don't want to break it, so be gentle, as you see. So. It is as that. But no, it's impossible to do it. So this one is for scraps. So I don't really know what happened with this one, but it's not a good one. So if you like this kind of context, feel free to like, subscribe, comment. If you wanna see me put it back on other steering wheel rack, it's no problem. I will make that video also, because this one is good, this one is bad. The bad goes to the trash. I don't want to sell anybody something that's bad. And for that mechanic, as you can see, it's possible. So thank you, subscribe, like, comment, and see you guys in the next video.